In previous chapters, we covered Turing patterns, L systems, quick tips, PifuHD, and ArtBreeder. When modeling 3D props or environments, use PifuHD and ArtBreeder to populate the scene and create interesting stories. User by CloudDump has created a tutorial on installing and configuring PifuHD for Windows 10. In total, it takes about 5 minutes to produce a character with this workflow. You only need one image to make a character. The results can be enhanced and errors hidden by using styled rendering techniques. Having a model pose for you is a quick way to get textures for each angle. If you decide to use ArtBreeder, rotate and yaw genes can help you get side angles of the face. Consider using Reface, a state-of-the-art app, to help you replace the faces automatically. Make sure to study the supplementary material included and tune in next time as we continue to explore the wonderful world of CG graphics.